She's been trying this for 6 months to a year.
Flew all the way here, you got this.
Any one of these could be the land. It's about to happen.
What is up, everybody? Welcome to the beautiful Braillehouse 2.0. We have two special guests today, the lovely Jason Park and Nana.
Hello.
This is episode 3 of the Nana Learns to Skate series. Now, you may remember back in the day, we had a few kickflip challenges. I taught Rick G right here in a measly 10 hours how to do a kickflip. So what we're gonna do today is put a time limit, 1 hour on the clock, and Nanu is gonna land her first kickflip. She's been out here shredding. She has landed a Gabe Cruz approved varial flip before, but she has never landed a kickflip. I've seen a few attempts, very close. I think we can get it done today within this 1 hour.
The first time,
yeah.
I'm feeling good about it.
Yeah, Jason, any words of advice before we begin?
I mean, I've been working with her and she's been trying this for the past, 6 months to a year. She's very busy with her work, but anytime we have free time, she loves to go skate. We skate together, and she's been working on the kickflip and keeps talking about, Braille, as Braille as she calls it, would be awesome to do the first kickflip here.
But I would like to know about your first kickflip, Jason. At what young age did it go down?
It was in my first year of skating, so I was 13. My 13th birthday, got my first board. I think it was after maybe between 4 to 6 months of skating, but I was skating like all day, every day when I got it. I remember I did it in my driveway. I was so pumped, just like stationary kickflip in my driveway, practicing, and I landed it. I was so pumped. My parents came home. I'm like, I did my first kickflip, watch. Of course, mess it up. Oh, no, watch. Probably bailed like another 20 in front of them before they went in the house. But I did my first kickflip, the first year of skating. I was super pumped. What about you?
Amazing. Mine's pretty similar in the driveway. I started skating when I was 8, and I think I would have been like maybe 9 and a bit. So like kind of same vibe, same first year. And I was doing it holding onto a pole with one hand. I was just like, all right, I did it on the pole. It's not really supporting my weight. I'll just pretend that there's a pole. And then I landed it pretending there was a pole. But same thing, my brother was not home, and he comes home and I gotta show you the kickflip, blah, blah, blah. Because we would skate together, but he couldn't do it yet either. And he was like older. And, dang, got him.
That's what Nana does too. She's landed a kickflip holding a bar. She's landed it with one hand on a fence. She's landed it holding a tree branch. You remember that, the Jane flip? I called it the Tarzan flip, but she's like, I'm Jane. So it's the Jane flip. But here we are. Hopefully she'll get her first kickflip, all natural kickflip.
All right, I think we're ready. You ready? Ready, set, go!
All right, Nana, you got 1 hour.
If you land it first try, Braille will send you $1,000.
If you landed this first try, you get $1,000. Oh, that was almost $1,000.
Yeah!
GC almost got in big trouble right there, Rick.
You're doing good, Nana. Make sure, just give it that good pop. Do an ollie first. Do an ollie first to get used to it. Yep, just like that. Oh my gosh, that was it.
1 minute in.
That was it. You're so close.
Tell me something.
Your problem
You
is
just landed it. Just do that again.
do that again and lean forward more. Her problem is I think she falls backward a lot, so. Oh, that was body varial.
Look, you're used to doing it just normally, but now you got the video camera, you're at the warehouse, you're ready. You just have to decide you're ready.
You got it, Nana.
Oh,
Yep.
it's happening. It's happening.
It is. Just take your time, you got it. Oh! Yep, just lean forward when you land and you stay on the board. Oh my gosh! We call it magnet foot because she would always do it and her feet would touch when she lands. So she's been working on her magnet foot and just leaning forward. If you get that, you're getting the first kickflip. Oh, wow. It's just that magnet foot, that's it. Oh, and just drop in, you got it. Oh, yeah. Just more on your toes. You're so close.
Oh, that was good.
Just keep your body over the board more when you pop. It's right there. Oh, drop in. Oh, you're so close.
Close, we landed.
That's a form of a kickflip. Oh my gosh, you got it.
Oh! You got any advice, Rick?
I guess the reason that it is turning this way is the way that it's flicking.
That's fine.
I think you're doing really good. I think you just need to try to lean a little bit more forward. Even jump a little bit forward.
Yep, you got it. Oh, that was such a good flip. Oh.
Yep. Jump towards the light.
Yeah, go towards the light. That's the only time I'll tell you that.
Yeah.
Wow.
There we go.
Oh, body varial. You're turning your body. That was kickflip body varial.
Super weird is I also varial flip first, and my first kickflips were exactly like this.
Well, you got the tips then.
Yeah, what are your tips? What helped
I
you?
landed it, turned first, and it took me like 3 minutes to straighten it.
No. You're turning your body. Do an ollie first and get used to that feeling. Just like that. You want to stay straight like that. Oh. Yes, like that. Yep.
Do an ollie again. See how when you do an ollie, you get a good jump, right?
Yeah.
You actually stay in the air for a second. When you do your kick flips, jump.
Yeah.
Stay in the air a little bit longer. There you go.
Yep.
It'll make it easier to land.
Oh! No!
So now, if you jump a little higher and like forward towards that light, the direction of the light, you'll land it. Right here. There you go. Yep.
Yes.
So like if you jump here, you want to jump forward and land here. A little bit further this way. You got it.
Yeah, you got
You got it.
Oh! Was that it? Oh my gosh, was that it?
That was beautiful.
Oh my
I
gosh!
think that counts, but I think you can do it better.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh.
Yes!
Wow. Drop in, drop in!
There you go.
Oh.
2 in a row. Take a breath.
Yeah, breathe,
Calm down. The hardest part is done.
Yeah.
So now, remember what I said, get a good jump. There you go. Land a little bit more forward, and you got it.
Oh! Your body turned.
You know, you're
got
ready.
it.
You know you got this.
Oh, that's it. That's good. That's what you want.
Yeah.
It's looking really good, Nana. Yep, just get a good pop, just like the ollie. It's the same as an ollie. The feeling is the same. How you land, you scoot your foot forward. All you have to do is get it a good flick, but just try and land over it like an ollie. You're so close.
Oh,
Yeah. That would have been it. Oh, drop in! Oh my gosh!
That was really close.
That was so close. You got this. Oh! Are you okay? Are you okay? That's your board. You okay?
Yeah.
All right.
It's all right. You're here in the Braillehouse. Flew all the way here. You got this.
Oh! The flip is looking really nice.
Got it.
Oh! Oh, this is
Yours
amazing.
here. Lean over your front shoulder. You wanna be more forward.
Oh, wow.
Exactly. If you land it like that.
That's a good dance move. Yep, just keep your body straight. It's right there. Yeah, drop in. Just focus on that feeling of dropping in. When you lean forward, that's how you want to land. So your weight's not on your back foot. It's like in between your feet. You got it though. It's right there.
Oh, that was the one.
That would have been incredible.
That is it.
Gosh.
What you're doing right now, that's the way.
Oh!
Yeah.
Your feet were in a good position. You just got to be over the board. You're so close.
You got it.
Oh! That was it! That was it! She was like manualing, and it could have gone to either the land or the tail stop, and it went to the tail stop. Yeah, drink water. Take your time. Take your time. We're chilling.
48 minutes left.
All right. Oh, we're chilling. You have so much time left. Don't worry. You got this. Just go slow. You're so close. You got it. Do an ollie first. Do it one more ollie. Boom.
One more.
That's it. All you have to do is kickflip like that.
All it is.
Oh!
One more advice for you. If you get both feet on your board, stay on the board.
Yep, just stay on the board. Balance.
All right, do one ollie and then kickflip.
Yeah, the ollie is helping you because that's exactly how it's gonna feel.
All right, right here.
Yep, you got it, you got it. Oh, drop in! Oh my gosh. Oh, look at that. Don't worry, take your time, you got it. Just be ready for it. Be ready to balance. Yep.
All right, another ollie. All right, now you got kickflip.
Oh, the feet were in the perfect place. That was really good.
It helps and it slows you down too when you do the ollie. The ollie feels exactly the same as the kickflip and you get to take a breath.
Oh! That was so close. You're right there. If you feel it, just boom, push it down with your front foot. Ooh. Wow. Oh, you switched your feet. You're so close. You want to try my board or no?
No.
All right.
Oh!
That was the closest
That was
one.
clean.
That was the closest one. Just that feeling of the quick drop in, that's what you want to feel. Your weight going over your front
Has
foot.
she landed one like this before?
She's got landed on the tail, yes. It's just a matter of that quick pushing it down. Yeah, just take your time, breathe. It's most important. Just breathe, you got this.
Jump forward a little bit.
Oh, that was a nice kickflip.
Really good.
Oh, that was it.
Was the one.
If you just stayed on the board, that would have been it. Just stay on the board, it's right there. Oh my gosh.
You know you can do it.
No, that was officially your closest one you've ever had. It's about to happen.
Yeah.
Right there, it's
There it
flipping
is.
so good. Yep, drop in, drop in. There you go. You're getting closer and closer. This is a good thing. Yeah, drop in.
Yeah.
This is crazy. This is gonna happen. I feel, whew. Oh, yep, your body twisted, you know that. You got it. Yeah, don't worry. I'll do an ollie to reset. That's it, that's exactly how it's gonna feel. Oh!
Amazing efforts out here. You know, I like these tail lands. If you can only land kickflips as a tail land, that's 100% good. It's definitely a make.
Yeah, that's a kickflip.
I think
That's a
that one she
land.
landed was definitely counts.
I think the first one did count. She stuck that one perfect. She stuck that one like here.
One thing that I think would help, but I don't want to like say it to like mess her up out of the zone, is I notice her body is very like this way and she's looking down like this. And then I think when she pops, that's what makes it get that rotation. Because when I skate, I'm more looking this way. Like I'm looking kind of like with my body open. And then when you're like that, that's why it will like stay level. Whereas when it's like this, it's like kind of like is confusing.
Oh, that makes sense. We can leave her in the zone for now because she got really close, and then we can maybe talk about that later if it's not working out. That's good though. All right.
Only.
Yeah.
Yep, just like that. Oh, it's flipping so good. Drop in.
Yeah.
There, you're so close. Whew. Don't worry, you got it. Take your time. You got plenty of time. Oh, drop in. That's amazing.
Big jump.
You got this. Oh, that was it. Ah! I had to let that out. Yes. Look at how good of a flip that is.
Yeah.
Ooh.
There it is.
Oh, drop in. You're so close. Don't worry. Focus on that feeling of dropping in. It's kind of like an ollie. You go up, but then you bring your front foot back down. That's how it's going to feel. Oh! That was it!
That was clean. Every key.
Dude, I can't kickflip the tail stall that nice. If I tried to do that, hers are better. Oh, watch the magnet foot. It's right there. Wow, it's so close.
So close.
Oh my gosh. Once your back foot lands on the bolts, or if your front foot goes heavy faster, then that's it. Any one of these could be the land. Yeah, see, your foot was really good on that one. Oh my God. This is crazy. 2 of those could have been it. This is like the closest she's ever been. Oh, it's amazing. I feel great. You got it, you got it. Don't worry, you're so close. You almost did 2 of them. All you have to do is when you land on it, just be ready to balance.
Okay.
You got it, you got it. Wow, right out the gate. No. Oh my gosh. Oh yes. Oh my gosh. Oh! You did it. I can't believe you did it. That was amazing. That's so crazy. She's been practicing for, the past half year, maybe a year. That was, and she keeps talking about it. She's like, oh, when we go to Braille, I really want to do it when we go up to Braille. She's been practicing for Braille. And last night we were talking about it before we went to bed. She's like, oh yeah, like I really want to do it tomorrow. I kept telling her, oh, like, yeah, you should. And even if you don't, like, it'll be a cool video. She's like, no, I want to do it tomorrow. And you did it.
Braille skateboarding, never give up.
It is possible to get the front foot on.
The front foot. Oh, how do you, hold on. Where's this mic? How do you feel?
I'm so happy I broke my elbow, but I do it.
Yes.
I can do it.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you, Braille skateboarding.
Let's go.
Yeah. Woo.
For those of you who don't know, she broke her elbow, was it maybe 2 years ago?
Yeah.
It was
1 year.
1 year ago. Wow, 1 year ago. It was an accident at the skate park where another guy was not paying attention. He told me later, I didn't see it happen. He was like a way bigger guy. He said he was looking at his feet, going fast, preparing for a trick. Didn't see her, crashed into her. She broke her elbow. She had surgery. You know, it was a crazy recovery process, physical therapy for months. But she got back on the board. She knew she wanted to kickflip, came back to skating, did your first kickflip here at Braille for the video.
I'm so happy.
Yes!
What is a tip you say to someone who is trying to learn to kickflip? What is some advice you give them?
Just keep going.
Yeah, that's really
Yeah.
it. Yeah, just keep going and
Yeah.
just keep practicing. This is like one of the happiest I think I've ever been. This is unbelievable. This is crazy. You did it.
First kickflip feels right.
That's the magic out here.
This is insane. We've been waiting for this moment for so long.
Thank you for everybody.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Thank you. Seriously, you're amazing.
Welcome
You're
to the
amazing.
club.
Oh, yeah.
Welcome to the kickflip club.
This
Yeah.
is a true skateboarder. That's what it takes. You don't give up. You just keep going.
Yeah.
You want something, you get it. What did we called her? I called her my I can wife because anything she wants, like she's just got it. Worked her ass off to get. Oh, I can't say that.
You can't say that.
I can't.
Yes, you can.
I can. She worked her ass off to get it. Anything she wants, she does, and it doesn't come easy. I mean, I wish I could tell you all about her life, but this is like the epitome of Nana right here. She wants something, she works, she gets it. I don't know, I feel like I've been talking for too long. I'm just so pumped right now. I'm just too happy. That's what it is.
That was unbelievably incredible. And if you want to see more of Nana, you can check her out on her YouTube channel. You can check out Jason on his YouTube channel. They skate a lot together on Jason's channel. So make sure you check out those links in the description. Is there anything else you want to say?
I guess, yeah, for Nana's YouTube channel, she makes all her own videos. It's like lifestyle stuff, adventures, you know, food, beach, traveling. And then her skateboarding stuff is more on my channel, but I mean, her videos are incredible. You're gonna love her channel. It's just really cute and awesome, just like Nana.
That is going to be it for this video, fam. There are some videos out there. Subscribe, like, leave it in the comments below. We want you to learn how to skateboard, to learn how to kickflip, and we have everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com.
She did it!